Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working in a React Native project. I am using VS Code. I execute the command npm install, which will install all the dependency of my React Native project specified in package.json file. But unfortunately, I got this error. npm error cannot read property pick algorithm of null. This is the error which I got when I executed this command. So after long time of research, I found the solution. I will share the solution with you. In order to solve this error, npm error cannot read property pick algorithm of null, you have to first run this command. npm cache clear -- force. Here we are going to clear all the caches on npm. Clear all the npm caches. Then after that, when we executed this command successfully, then we can execute npm install. We will overcome this error. We won't get this error. This helped me. If you face same problem, first try to clear npm cache by executing this command, then you execute npm install. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.